So sometimes we have a rule that defines a sequence, but it doesn't explicitly define the nth term. So maybe sometimes we don't explicitly define the nth term. So in these cases, you need to find a pattern. So you have to look and see if you can find a pattern, and then you can also figure out what's happening, and maybe you can then also write yourself define a sequence. So if I look at this example here, if I want to look at determine the pattern next two terms in the sequence, I'm going to look here. 8, 13, 18, 23. Oh, it looks like I'm adding plus 5, plus 5. I'm adding plus 5. It's an arithmetic sequence where I'm adding 5. So if I think about what is my first term is something plus 5, and it has to equal 8, so it must be 3. So I know that the nth term is 3 plus 5 times whatever n is, because when n is 2, this is n is 1, this is n is 2. When n is 2, I have 3 plus 10, which is 13. So now I need the next two terms, so I have the first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth term. So my sixth term is going to be 28 plus 5, or 33, and my seventh term is going to be 33 plus 5, or 38, or I could look here and I could say, a sub 6 is 3 plus 5 times 6, which is also 33, and a sub 7 is 3 plus 5 times 7, which is 35 plus 3, or 38.